If Chrome is showing an out-of-memory error, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through the quickest fixes step by step so you can get Chrome running smoothly again. This is especially helpful if your browser keeps freezing, crashing, or refusing to open certain tabs because it has run out of memory. Make sure to stay until the end because I'll also show you a few simple ways to reduce the chance of this error coming back. And if this tutorial helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tech videos like this. First, let's start with the simplest fix. Restart Google Chrome completely. Close every Chrome window and make sure the browser is fully shut down. Then open it again and check if the problem is gone. Sometimes Chrome just builds up temporary memory issues and a fresh restart is enough to clear them. If that does not fix it, the next step is to restart your computer. Click the Start menu, select Power, and then choose Restart. This is important because restarting clears RAM and stops background processes that may be using up too much memory. After your PC turns back on, open Chrome again and see if it runs better. Now let's move on to extensions. Some browser extensions can use a surprising amount of memory, especially if you have a lot of them installed. To check this, open Chrome, click the three dots in the top right corner, go to Extensions, and then click Manage Extensions. Here, look through your installed extensions and disable or remove anything you do not really need. If you are not sure which one is causing the issue, try turning them off one at a time and testing Chrome after each change. This can make a big difference if one extension is slowing your browser down in the background. Next, if you are using Chrome, turn on Memory Saver. To do that, click the three dots again, go to Settings, and then select Performance. From there, switch Memory Saver on. This feature helps Chrome free up memory by putting inactive tabs to sleep, which can be really useful if you keep many tabs open at once. Speaking of tabs, another very common cause of out-of-memory errors is simply having too many tabs open. Chrome uses memory for each tab, so if you are running dozens of them at the same time, your system may struggle to keep up. Close any tabs you are not using right now, especially if they are video heavy, website heavy, or constantly refreshing. Even closing just a few can make your browser much more stable. Another helpful fix is clearing your browser cache. Press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete on your keyboard to open the Clear Browsing Data menu. Then select Cached Images and Files, and if needed, cookies and site data as well. After that, click Delete Data. Over time, old cached files can build up and sometimes contribute to browser performance problems, so clearing them can help Chrome run more efficiently. If you are still seeing the out-of-memory message after trying all of these steps, it may also help to check whether other apps on your computer are using too much RAM. Closing heavy apps, restarting resource-hungry programs, or freeing up system memory can sometimes solve the issue when Chrome alone is not the real problem. The good news is that in most cases, one of these fixes will get Chrome working normally again. So to quickly recap, restart Chrome, restart your computer, disable unnecessary extensions, turn on Memory Saver, close unused tabs, and clear your cache. These are the best first steps to fix Chrome out of memory errors without needing anything complicated. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you want more easy troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.